Okay, so now I'm going to demonstrate the cervical retraction exercise or the chin tuck exercise. It will likely be given to people with neck pain, those who have had their neck thrown forward like that by being long hours doing an office job or on a laptop. So you're sitting on a chair, sit up straight, and you're looking at an imaginary point directly in front of you, and you're making a chin tuck, a double chin, and release. Double chin, and release. What you don't want to do is end up looking up or down like this. That's wrong. Or this. That is wrong. Go directly back, keeping your eye on that imaginary point right in front of you. Hold and relax. And relax. If you're having some trouble retracting the neck like this, you can start by throwing forward and now pull back. Forward, pull back. It is very normal to feel some tension right here, especially if you have tight neck muscles and you have now started treatment for it.